I never thought I'd become the person who names their coffee maker, but here we are. Meet the Ninja, my morning salvation and afternoon confidant. 3 weeks ago, I was a coffee commoner, trudging to the local cafe and surrendering $6 daily for a decent brew. Now, I'm creating barista-level concoctions in my pajamas, experimenting like a caffeinated mad scientist, and genuinely excited to wake up each morning. The Ninja Pods and Ground Specialty Coffee Maker has transformed not just my coffee routine, but my entire relationship with the sacred bean juice that fuels my existence. When my old coffee maker died an unceremonious death, may it rest in peace, I embarked on what became a 2-week deep dive into the world of homebrewing systems. What I discovered in this sleek, surprisingly compact machine has made me question why I ever settled for less. First impressions. When I first unboxed the Ninja Pods and Ground Specialty Coffee Maker, I was immediately struck by its sleek, compact design. Despite its small footprint, 13.3 by 5.5 by 13.07 inches, this machine packs an impressive array of features. The slim outer body means it fits perfectly on my countertop without hogging space, and it easily slides under my kitchen cabinets. The machine weighs just 6.23 pounds, making it lightweight enough to move around when needed. Its predominantly black plastic construction feels surprisingly durable, with nice touches of stainless steel on the pod adapter, body, and drip tray that give it a more premium look. Design and build quality. The thoughtful design extends beyond just aesthetics. I appreciate how Ninja incorporated smart storage solutions. The permanent grounds filter, brew basket, adapters, and coffee scoop all store within the machine itself, further saving counter space. This means I never have to worry about misplacing any components as they snap right back into the coffee maker when not in use. The 56-ounce removable water reservoir is a standout feature, making refills quick and hassle-free. The control panel sits atop the machine and is remarkably intuitive, with clearly displayed buttons for power, descale, brew size, brew style, and brewing. I found the smartphone-like touch buttons responsive and satisfying to use. Functionality and versatility. The versatility of this machine is where it truly shines. I can brew with either coffee pods for convenience or grounds for maximum flavor, all in one compact device. The machine automatically detects which adapter I've inserted and adjusts accordingly without any input from me. When it comes to brew sizes, I'm spoiled for choice. For pod brewing, I can select 6, exactly 8, 10, or 12-ounce sizes. With grounds, I have even more options: 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, or 24 ounces. This range covers everything from a quick caffeine fix to filling my travel mug for the road. It accommodates mugs up to 8 inches tall. Brewing Technology. The secret behind this machine's performance is Ninja's thermal flavor extraction duo technology. This system balances temperature control and even saturation to extract maximum flavor from both pods and grounds. For the specialty brew, it extracts more slowly to create a richer, more concentrated result that works beautifully as a base for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. The multi-hole design of the brew head ensures even blooming of grounds for consistent extraction. I was initially skeptical about how one machine could excel at both pod and ground brewing. But Ninja has truly delivered. The technology calibrates brewing styles for every size and type, ensuring uniform results regardless of which method I choose. The coffee experience. Now for the most important part. How does the coffee actually taste? I'm pleased to report that the Ninja Pods and Grounds delivers excellent results across all brewing methods. The classic brew produces a clean, balanced cup that's perfect for everyday drinking. When I want something with more punch, the rich setting provides a noticeably stronger flavor without venturing into bitter territory. The specialty brew creates a remarkably concentrated shot that, while not technically espresso, makes a fantastic base for milk drinks when paired with the frother. I've been particularly impressed with the over-ice function. Unlike simply pouring hot coffee over ice, which results in a watered-down mess, this setting brews a stronger concentration, specifically designed to maintain flavor when diluted with ice. The result is a refreshing iced coffee that doesn't taste weak or washed out. What surprised me most was how well the machine handles pods. I typically find pod coffee underwhelming, but the Ninja extracts more flavor than I expected, producing a cup that's noticeably better than other pod systems I've tried. Ease of use and cleaning. The user experience couldn't be simpler. The control panel is straightforward, with clear options that make brewing intuitive even when I'm barely awake. I appreciate that the machine automatically recognizes whether I'm using the pod adapter or grounds basket and adjusts the available settings accordingly. Cleanup is equally painless. The removable water reservoir, brew basket, and drip tray all come out easily for cleaning. The permanent filter saves me money on paper filters and is simple to rinse between uses. Even the frother detaches for thorough cleaning. Price and value. At around $79.95, this coffee maker offers exceptional value considering its versatility and performance. Comparable machines with fewer features often cost significantly more, making this an excellent entry point for anyone looking to upgrade their coffee routine without breaking the bank. The ability to use both pods and grounds provides flexibility that would normally require two separate machines. Add in the built-in frother and multiple brew styles, and you're essentially getting a complete coffee station for the price of a basic brewer. Limitations. No product is perfect, and I should note a few drawbacks. The machine does contain quite a bit of plastic, which may concern those looking for more premium materials. While the coffee is excellent for a machine in this category, true coffee purists or those used to high-end espresso machines might find it lacking the depth and complexity they crave. Additionally, eco-conscious coffee lovers might be hesitant about the pod compatibility, given the environmental concerns surrounding single-use pods. However, the option to use grounds mitigates this issue somewhat. So, should you buy it? After extensive testing, I can confidently say the Ninja Pods and Grounds specialty coffee maker exceeds expectations. It successfully bridges the gap between convenience and quality, offering impressive versatility in a compact package. The thoughtful design, intuitive interface, and excellent coffee results make this a standout option for anyone seeking to elevate their at-home coffee experience without the complexity or cost of more specialized equipment. Whether you're a pod person seeking convenience or a grounds enthusiast looking for flavor, this machine delivers on both fronts without compromise. For those who value flexibility, space-saving design, and the ability to create coffeehouse-style drinks at home, the Ninja Pods and Grounds represents an excellent investment that will satisfy your caffeine cravings in multiple ways. It's become an essential part of my morning routine, and I couldn't be happier with its performance.